How to get local channels on Samsung Smart TV. Firstly, click the home button on your remote, whether that's the Universal remote or the Samsung Smart TV remote. Then press the right arrow to go along the bottom of the screen until you see Live TV Terrestrial. That's going to be the regular channels on your geographic locations. If for me, I'm in the UK, so you've got things like BBC, ITV, etc. Then you want to go ahead and click enter on that, and then once you're on there, you can use the up and down buttons and you should be able to go ahead and see all the Freeview local channels in your area. But if you don't have it all set up in terms of the antenna, in terms of like the ability to be able to go to source, find the connection, etc., then it won't work. So make sure you go into source, find the correct one. If you're not sure how to do it, use the connection guide. That's how it's all done within there. If it's all set up, it should work for you. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for more helpful videos.